Hello and welcome back to Crypto Combat. Okay, today I've come again with another Hamster Combat Cipher. Okay, the 1 million hamster coin you'll be rewarded with. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys on how to do that real quick. So with that means I want you guys to join me on this journey. Alright, so I'm gonna point out some few things here. As you can see, the 17, like the plus 17, you're gonna tap that 3 times. Okay, 3 times, and as you can see, the interface have changed to red. Alright, so right now I'll be showing you guys on how to get the 1 million of these hamster coins, okay, which you are seeing here. So this is how it's gonna be done. So right now, today Hamster Combat code is hamster. Okay, I mean it's the word I've been using. Okay, hamster. So right now I'm just gonna do that. Okay, alright, as you can see. Oh no, that's wrong. Okay, let me get that again. Okay, alright, okay, alright, as you can see there, boom, the code is cracked. Okay, you are a real detective, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this click on this take the price. Okay, I'm just gonna take the price and it's gonna be added to my balance. Okay, as you can see, my balance is now 64. It was 62, 63, now it's 64 million, right? So thank you guys for watching. Okay, and stay blessed, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Thank you, and see you in the next video.